Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aisyah Fitriani Sritated. In this video, I will talk about discourse and pragmatic. What the difference between discourse and pragmatic in scope, and difference foci or focus analysis in syntax, semantic, and pragmatic, context and context, and the last is speech act theory and limitation. So before we move the topic, we know that what is discourse and what is pragmatic. Pragmatic is the study of meaning of the meaning of utterance, and discourse is the study how language is used in our daily life or to communication. So what the difference between pragmatic and discourse analysis? So let's we discuss it. Difference of pragmatic and discourse is based on the scope. Pragmatic and discourse are two fields of language studies that emphasize the relationship between language and context. However, they have different scopes. Discourse analysis studies a language in spoken and written text, and focusing on the structures, cohesion, and genre. While pragmatic is the study the meaning of utterance, like how the speakers convey intentions, the listeners interpreted them, and how social and cultural influence the meaning. And they are and discourse and pragmatic have different focus. Discourse analysis emphasize the text organization, and pragmatic emphasize the relationship between meaning and situational context. So this is the difference between discourse and pragmatic. Next, the difference focus analysis in syntax, semantic, and pragmatic. Syntax focus on the form or formal structure of sentence, and analyzing the rules of the word, phrase, and clause. The difference is the form and formal structure. Next is semantic. Semantic focus on the literal meaning of word or sentence, including the word meaning and relationship between words, such as antonym, synonym, and presupposition. The difference is from the literal meaning. Next is pragmatic. Pragmatic focus on the contextual meaning, including the speaker's meaning, implicator, and language in interaction. So the difference is syntax emphasize the structure, semantic emphasize the literal meaning, and pragmatic emphasize the contextual meaning. Next is context and context. Context is factor outside of the text that influence the meaning. Context consists of three: situational context, like what is the speakers, what is the listener, where and when the interaction take place, and the purpose of interaction. Knowledge background knowledge context, that's knowledge the knowledge that the listener and speakers already have to understand the message. Cultural context, cultural norms and social background shape the interpretations of language. Next is context. Context is part of the text itself that surround an utterance, like word, phrase, and clause or a sentence before and or after it. After it. Example: Lisa come in, then she sat down. Word she, it can be understand if we look at the previous context, which is Lisa. What the difference? The difference is context is factor externals like situationals, culture, and background knowledge. Context is the internal factor like linguistic environment within text. Next, the last material is speech act theory and limitation. According to Austin and Searle, an utterance does not only convey information but also perform an actions or doing things with words, doing something with words, or what is said. Examples: close the windows. It's the example. Speech acts divide into three levels. The first is locutionary act. Locutionary act is the form of the utterance itself. Example: close the window. Illocutionary act is the intended meaning behind the utterance, or what the speaker means. Example: the speakers requesting someone to close the window. Next is perlocutionary act. Perlocutionary act is the effect of the utterance on the hearer. Example: the hearer actually close the windows and feels forced or forced or more confused. Next is limitation. Limitation in speech actually it's narrow focus on single utterances, which make it overlook longer and more complex text. This theory also uh, this theory also this also, this theory also um, uh, this theory also struggle to distinguish the literal meaning and indirect meaning, and fail to capture influence, social context, and also make a text overlap in real interaction. So this is my understanding about this topic. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.